Good morning, students. Today we will study quartile, in which lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile, and interquartile range. Okay. So see the quartile. Suppose that here is 100 and you divide this 100 into 4 parts. Each part is of 25, 25, 25 and 25. 4 parts. Each part is of 25, or you may say कि 25%. 25% equal 25 divided by 100 equal 1/4. 1/4. And if you will sum these two parts, means half of the 100. 25% plus 25% equal how much? 50%. 50% means 50 divided by 100 equal 1/2. This one is what? Just half of the 100 means middle. Suppose that this is a line. This is a line. This is the middle. Midpoint. आप तरीके से कह लो कि this is the midpoint, and you know midpoint is known as median. Means here 50%. This one is known as median. Median. And 1/4 of this data, this is known as quartile and lower quartile. Lower quartile. ठीक है? And it is represented by Q1. 50% is the median. Now sum these three. 25% plus 25% plus 25% equal to 75%. If you will convert, this is 3/4 in fraction. So 3/4 is upper quartile, and it is denoted by Q3. So this is the concept of quartile. 1/4 of the data is known as Q1, 1/4 term, 3/4 upper quartile, middle term is known as median. Now let us see in the terms of n how you will decide the exact formula, exact quartile, lower quartile, mid quartile, and interquartile range. See, here if it is n, then if n is even, then lower quartile Q1 is n/4. ठीक है? And upper quartile Q3 is 3n/4 in case if n is even in numbers. If n is odd in number, see what is quartile if n is odd in number. If n is odd in number, or then lower quartile Q1 equal n plus 1 divided by 4. Fourth term, what I am writing here, term, and upper quartile ओके, यहाँ लिख भी दे रहे 4 टर्म। So these are the lower quartile and upper quartile, and one thing, 50%, as I have told you, 50% is the median. Then second quartile, अगर आपसे बात किया जाए what is the second quartile, second quartile and Q2, this is what is median. I think there should be no doubt because median is the 50% and that is Q2. Now what is interquartile range? Interquartile range. If subtract from Q3 to Q1, then that will be interquartile range. Any difference of upper quartile and lower quartile is known as interquartile range, and this is equal to Q3 minus Q1. 75% minus 25%. This is called interquartile and interquartile range. This is interquartile range, and semi-quartile range equal Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Interquartile range Q3 minus Q1, semi-quartile range Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 will be semi-quartile range. So these were the basic concept of quartile. Now come to one question with the example. Let us see how will you find the quartile, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range and semi-quartile range. So here one question is for you, 13, 17, 20. Example, one example I am taking. 13, 17, 25, 3, 19, 7, 6, 11, 15, 17. This is the data. So first of all, arrange this one in ascending order. Because in median always we arrange in ascending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending or descending? I am arranging here the given data in ascending order. Ascending order 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 20. Here I have copied. Now you can see कि all the data is in ascending order. Now come to count the total number of the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many are 11? So here n equal 11 and this is odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. N is 11, which is odd. Then lower quartile, what is known as Q1 equal n plus 1 divided by 2th term. As I remember you, sorry, n plus 1 divided by 4th term. N plus 1 divided by 4th term. So n is 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 at term. So 11 plus 1 divided by 2. Sixth term. Count here 6 term. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 13. So the lower quartile Q1 is 13, and you will not count from this side. From this side, if you will count, then from right side, because here is 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. ठीक है? If you will count from there 1/4, then from here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then also we'll get 6th term. Okay, so that is Q1. 1 minute. मैंने 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, एडिट करना पड़ेगा. Right? Okay, students. 13, 17, 25, 3, 19, 7, 6, 11, 15, 17. Arrange in ascending order. So here is the arrangement in ascending order. See, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 20. The total n equal 11, which is odd in number. Then the lower quartile Q1 equal n plus 1 divided by 4. ठीक है? तो 11 plus 1 divided by 4, 12 plus 1 equal 3 by 4. For the third term, and third term 1, 2, 3. The answer is 6. So the Q1 is 6. This is lower quartile. Now upper quartile Q3 equal 3n plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4 means 11 plus 1 divided by 4. 11 plus 1 divided by 4, 12 by 4. 3 into 3, 9th term. Count 9 term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 17. This is Q3. And then Q1, Q3 already 5. Q1 equal 6 and Q3 is 17. Then the next is interquartile range. This is equal to Q3 minus Q1. 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 equal 11. And interquartile range. Semi-quartile range equal 11 by 2, 5.5. So this is the interquartile range, semi-quartile range, interquartile range, and so on. Thank you, students.